How to redeem codes in Pokémon Go. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem codes in Pokémon Go. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Pokémon Go occasionally offers offer code through partnerships and special events. Offer codes can be redeemed for items such as Pokeballs, lure modules, lucky eggs, and many more. So, firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for store.pokemongolive.com. Log in using the same credentials you use to access your Pokémon Go account. It should be noted that Pokémon Trainer Club accounts won't work through this website. Instead, you have to link that account with another type, such as Google or Facebook, to log in. You will then see the option for entering your offer code. Go ahead and enter the code in the text box there. After successfully redeeming an offer code, a message will display the items added to your inventory. So, this is how you can redeem codes in Pokémon Go. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shrines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.